Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a beautiful two-story, four-bedroom, two-bathroom house for sale. This home is located on Longbridge Avenue in Clarendon, and the land area is approximately 1,060 square feet. The ground floor comprises of three bedrooms and one bathroom, open plan living and dining, kitchen, front porch, washroom and garage with electronic door. The first floor consists of one master bedroom with two walk-in closets and a bathroom ensuite and a sitting area. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 40 million or US $259.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.